Hi, I'm Holly Johnson, and I'm here today with Oscar Brenes, and I'm going to ask him a couple questions for my research for a school project about Costa Rican sea turtles. Okay, Oscar. I've heard that more female sea turtles come out during development of the eggs, come out in hotter sand. Is this true?
That is the adults, what do you mean? Like the females?
Yes, the females do. Are the eggs already developed, whether it's male or female, when they're in the egg at first, when the mother's laying them, or is it developed underneath the sand?
No, the eggs are just fertilized by the male, but all the develop of the embryo happens into the sand, because when the moms lay the eggs, so they need the temperature of the sand, salinity, humidity, and other factors to develop the embryo. So they are already fertilized by the male, but all the embryo development happens in the sand.
Okay, so then more female turtles do if there's hotter sand?
Yeah, all the females do that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What is the difference between the sea turtle population from now and about, say, 25 years ago?
So I can tell you about the population of Tortuga Beach is an example of the pressure to this reptile. For example, 20 years ago in Tortuga Beach, the locals told me that they found around 30 nets per night. So now I found 30 nets per month. So it's a decrease of more than 50% in the population of sea turtles in Tortuga Beach, and that's happening in the whole Pacific slope in Costa Rica and the Pacific slope of America too. So it's all the species are endangered, critical, vulnerable. So all the species of sea turtles of the world are in danger of extinction, really close to extinction.
Which turtle is most in danger?
So in the order is the most endangered is the leatherback. Really close of the leatherback is the hawksbill. And the third one is the black or green sea turtle, the loggerhead. The flatback is a turtle who lives just around Australia, but is endangered too, but not really critical. And the olive ridley is endangered, but no, it's not really in problems if you compare with the other, with leatherback or hawksbill. So the population is okay in some places, but in another places like Tortuga Beach is really in danger.
After the surviving babies have already gone out to the ocean, what are the biggest dangers top three that wait them there?
The top three, so when they hatch, so they have, it's difficult as it says top three because there's a lot of predators. We can talk about predators in general. So they have problem with crabs, birds, wild animal, raccoons, domestic animals like dogs. Right now is a problem because people live next to, really close to the beach. Their houses in the beach, so there's the dogs is a problem now. When they go into the ocean, a lot of fishes, like sharks, are waiting for them. Sometimes crocs are waiting for them too. So, and maybe the main problem now is the human beings, because there's boats, there's fisheries that they're really close. The tourist boats are really close to the coast. So it's the main problem now. Is the human. So this is the one of these. If there's a top three, the one is number one is the human. But there's too many. They have to handle with a lot of problems after get mature. They need 50 years to be an adult. So it's a long way to survive. It's hard to survive in the top.
About how long do the sea turtles survive? Because I've heard in some turtles they survive 120 years and others 60 years. So what's the average?
The average of surviving, you mean the babies?
Yeah.
So there's a really old statistic that maybe it's changing now. Now it's words that we need 1,000 babies, and from 1,000 babies, only one is going to survive. So, and now I think it's worse because that happened. This statistic is around 10 years ago, 15 years ago. So now it's worse. Maybe this is the half of it. We need 2,000 for one. So now we're releasing around 6,000 babies. So maybe it's just six are going to go back to our beach in 15 years.
All right. Thank you, Oscar. Goodbye. Hi again. I just have one more question for Oscar really quickly. Oscar, what can me and my classmates and people around the world do to help the turtles?
Okay, so the most important thing is the communication. Just talk with your friends. Now use the internet, emails, videos. So educate the people more. The important thing is, for example, Costa Rica is a real touristic place. A lot of people from your country and other countries come down to see the turtles and to feel to do a cultural interchange. But sometimes the people do the wrong things because they don't know. So you have to say no, for example, to buy products made with turtles, with turtle shells. The people used to make aircraft like rings, purse, bracelets, eat turtle meat, turtle eggs. So, and the tourists don't know that it's illegal in Costa Rica. So, so you have to communicate to your friends, to your family, that don't buy any product of sea turtles because the conservation of those reptiles is really expensive. We spend around $20,000 per year, paying salaries, buying equipment to the conservation, and we need a hand to maintain those reptiles alive because maybe it's the last chance to see turtles in the world. So it's just say no to turtle product is a way to, and the education. You know. I think this is the way.
Thank you again. Goodbye.
Dum